My name is Timothy Atkins and I'll be presenting about the mallard. The mallard duck is one of the easiest ducks to identify. It is a staple of waterfowl hunting across America. The mallard drake is very noticeable by its green head. It has a white ring just below it on the neckline. The breast of the mallard is a very dark brown. The wings will also help identify the difference between a mallard and the American black duck. The mallard drake will have a white above and below the iridescent blue feathers on the wing, while the American black duck will not have the white on the wings. Female hens are also brown throughout with black accent feathers and will have the same purple and white feathers on the wings. As you can see, here is the classification for the mallard. It is in the Aves class. The order is Anseriformes. The family is Anatidae, and the scientific name is Anis platyrhynchos. It is also in a tribe that is for the dabbling ducks. Here is the distribution for the mallard. As you can see in the maps, it is very broad. Mallards can either be a resident or a migrator depending on their location. They can occur year-round across much of the United States, indicated by the purple. Populations in northern North America will migrate to the southeastern part of the United States. They typically migrate through pathways or flyways. There are 4 main flyways covering North America: the Atlantic, the Mississippi, the Central, and the Pacific. With such a broad distribution, the habitat for the mallard is very general. They can be found anywhere that will have water. You can look for them at ponds, lakes, rivers, swamps, marshes, coastal waters, and sometimes even in your swimming pools. The most important part about the mallard are their survival adaptations. The mallard will molt in the late summer and in early spring. Their counter-current heat exchange in their feet allows them to swim in cold water while keeping their body warm. They also have waterproof feathers, which also allows them to swim in cold water and keep their skin dry and warm. Lamellae within their bill are used to filter out inedible material as they dabble the sediment at the bottom of the water. Next, we have the reproduction of the mallard. Females will form shallow depressions or bowls in the ground for their nests. Mallards are also monogamous, forming pairs in the fall and winter. Males can also form pairs together, and they will chase and force females to co-populate with them. This is called extracopulation. Females only incubate the eggs and take care of the young themselves. The average clutch size can range from 8 to 13 eggs. The mallard can also hybridize with many ducks, and most commonly hybridize with the American black duck. Mallards can display many different behaviors. A female will encourage males by nodding her head or by swimming toward them with her head low. Mallards will have a variety of displays. Males may face off with a head bob. They may threaten an aggressor with an open bill, or they will push against each other breast to breast. Mallard drakes can be very territorial. Paired males defend their territories with vigorous acrobatic chases. They also will dabble to feed. They will tip forward in the water, eating the seeds and aquatic vegetation on the bottom. Their diet will consist of aquatic insect larvae, earthworms, snails, freshwater shrimp. Many mallards mainly consume large agricultural seeds and grains. Here are a few miscellaneous facts about the mallard. The mallard is the ancestor of nearly all domestic duck breeds. Migrating flocks of mallards have been estimated to travel at 55 miles an hour. The oldest known mallard was a male, and it was at least 27 years and 7 months old when it was shot in Arkansas in 2008. This duck was banded in Louisiana in 1981. The estimated mallard population is 11.6 million.